Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss finite and infinite set. So we'll discuss definition of this. Okay, we'll discuss definition of finite and infinite set and example of it, and then we will discuss NCERT example 11, and that is exercise 1.2, and we will discuss question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, and these questions are based on finite and infinite set. Okay, so first we'll clear the concept, then we'll do some maths based on this concept. So definition of finite set is what? A set which is empty or consists of definite number of element is called finite. A set is empty or consists of definite number of element is called finite. So if you can take a concept like that, we mentioned in daily life like that. There is finite number, there is finite number of student, there is finite number of people. Means finite means what? That can be countable, that we can count them. That is called finite. So a set having a particular number of element is called finite set. So example you can take, if R be a set of the months of a year. So you know months of a year, there is 12 months in a year. That's why R can be a set here. So next, x such that x belongs to natural number and x is a prime number. Okay, so x belongs to natural number we know, and x is a prime number. So this can be finite set. But we have to take a condition like that, x should be less than 100. So if we write like that, it can be finite set, because natural number also it can be infinite. Okay, next, a set which does not consist of definite number of element is called infinite set. So infinite set means we cannot count them, we cannot guess how many object, how many animal, how many people is there. Okay, we frequently say there is infinite number of student is there, there is infinite number of people is there. So means we cannot count, we cannot guess how many object, how many things is there. So this kind of sense we use infinite. Okay, so here we are discussing infinite set means a set when it does not consist definite number of element, we will say infinite number of set. Clear? So example we can say 1 2 3 means these are natural numbers start from 1, so it can be infinite. There is no limit, that's why. And -1 -2 -3 negative integer, so there is also limitless, that's why it can be infinite set. Yeah. So now we'll discuss some maths which is belongs to exercise 1.2, and this is question number 2. Okay. So first question is that which of the following set are finite and infinite. So we have to say that the following question is given. I have to say which is finite set, which is infinite set. Clear? So set of the months of a year. So we know how many months in a year. There is 12 months. Okay. So 12 months in a year. That's why question number 2 should be infinite set. Finite set. This should be finite. Clear? Next, question number 2. There is one. This is set 1, 2, 3 means natural numbers. So this is also infinite set. Okay. So question number 3. 1, 2, 3, 9, 99, 100. So last number is 100 and first number is 1. Means we can count them. So that's why it is finite set. Clear? Next, question number 4 is that greater than 100. So positive integer greater than 100 means it will start from 101, 102 and so on. So the last number, what will be the last number, we don't know. That's why we cannot count this number. That's why it can be an infinite set. Next, question number 5 is says that the set of prime numbers less than 99. Yes, we can count them. Set of prime number less than 99 we can count. That's why it is finite set. So in the next slide, this is the detailed solution for your extra information, or you can make your notes from this slide. Next, this page, proper note. If any question asked in your exam, so you have to write in this format only. Okay. So this was the previous slide we did only explanation, and in this slide just this is proper answer what you have to write on your exam copy, right? So set of months of a year finite set because it has a 12 element. We have to write like that on your exam paper. Now, right? The question number 2, 1, 2, 3 is an infinite set, as you have to mention the reason also, why it is infinite set, why it is finite set. Clear? So we have to mention also their reason why. So it has infinite number of natural number. That's why 1, 2, 3, 900. So it is finite because the numbers from 1 to 100. Numbers from 1 to 100. That's why it is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100 is a finite set because positive integers greater than 100 are infinite in number. Obviously. So the set of prime numbers less than, because prime number less than 99 are finite in number. So you have to write your answer like this one. So you can make your notes from here. Question number 3 we will discuss. So state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So if I draw, we will discuss question number 1. So let me change the color of the pen. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Suppose if I draw, so here question is that set of lines which are parallel to x-axis, means we have to draw like that, parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis, x dashed, and this is y-axis here. So we will draw like that, x parallel to x-axis, but here it is not mentioned how many lines we have to draw, how many parallel lines we have to draw. That's why we can draw any number of line. That's why it can be infinite set. Next question number 2, if I discuss the set of letter in English alphabet. Set of letters in English alphabet. So you know there is 26 letter. So means in this set there is 26 element will be there. That's why it is infinite number of finite number of set. Clear? So now question number 3 says that the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Very good. So set of number which is multiple of 5. So you know the table of 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15. So means we can multiply any number by 5. So and that will be the multiple of 5. So means there is no limit here. If there is mentioned any criteria or any condition is applied, that then it will be finite set. But there is no any particular criteria. With just it is said set of numbers which is multiple of 5. That's why it is infinite set. Clear? So next question number 4 of 3, the set of animals living on the earth. Okay, this can be finite set. Okay, this can be finite. Why, ma'am? Why it can be finite set? It can be infinite? No, it can be bigger in number. It can be big in number. You can say bigger in number, but it can be countable because we know biology. Okay, so there is species, different kind of species, and there. So means question number 4, it can be finite set. Next question number 5, the set of circle passing through the origin 0 0. So if I draw x-axis and y-axis, so this is the origin. Okay, where x-axis and y-axis intersect each other. So this is 0 0 origin, and we can draw any line passes to the line circle. We can draw any circle passes to the origin like that. But if the radius is mentioned here, then we can draw particular circle only, but here no radius, no diameter is mentioned here. That's why it can be infinite set. So the next slide, there is the detailed solution is given, so we can make your note properly. Okay, so exactly you have to write like that in your exam. Okay, so the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis is infinite because you have to mention only the reason also. The lines parallel to the x-axis are infinite in number. That's why. Second, the set of letters in the English alphabet is finite set because it has 26 element. Okay. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5 is an infinite set because why? Because multiple of 5 are infinite in number. That's why. And the set of animals living on the earth is finite set because why? Because number of animals living on the earth is finite. That's why, although here the mention is there, although it is quite bigger number. Clear? The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0 is an infinite set. Why? Because infinite number of circle we can draw. It can pass through the origin. That's why it can be infinite set here. So I hope you understand question number 2 and 3 also. If there is any doubt, you can drop your comment on the comment section. Okay, so I will answer your questions also. And if you like this video, you can you can subscribe my channel and like and share my channel. So thank you for watching this video and keep learning and keep practicing.